Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're looking at the Mitsubishi Pure Malt multi-pen pencil. And I'm hoping this is a really cool looking one, because it's supposed to have an all wood barrel. And I think hopefully it'll be neat. So let's open this thing up and take a look at it. And one thing about this is, it's under 20 bucks, and you can find it on Amazon. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check it out. Let's open this thing up. Let's see what we got. Alright, so Pure Malt Oak Wood Premium Edition. So there's instructions on doing things and stuff. Twist. Pull things off. Barrel. That's a lot of words. Let's look at the pen. Pure Malt Oakwood Premium Edition. Okay. Alright. It's got a little bit of jiggle inside. And I'm not super crazy about that. But it's got red and something and something. So let's see. This is the Mitsubishi Pure Malt. It writes okay. And so you push this little button thing to release it, and you get the Mitsubishi Pure Malt and pencil. Mitsubishi Pure Malt. Alright. It's not terrible. Assuming, yep. You have the eraser up here. Kind of a little thin, cheap cap, but that's not super uncommon. Alright. So, since the wood barrel, I'm assuming it unscrews the tip. Retail replacement. It looks like it covers all the different versions of it, so unscrew here, and we just pull these out, assuming, yep, they look like normal D1 refills, and you just kind of slide it back in there, like so. It's not too bad. It doesn't feel too bad. I mean, like, everything feels okay. The only thing that I don't like is the jiggling. It doesn't feel, I mean, like, I just wish there was some way I could manage that a little better. But it doesn't feel too bad as a pen. I like the wood barrel. It's kind of got a nice feel to it. And, I mean, like, as multi-pens go, it's under 20 bucks. So, not terrible. What do you think? Like the look of it? I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'll include a link for this in the description. And if there's any multi-pens you think I should look at, let me know down there as well. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.